What's up, everyone? This is Shane, and I want to introduce you to my new project. This is a 2006 Mini Cooper Convertible with a supercharged engine. I picked this car up at auction, and it was a flood from Houston from just a couple of years ago. You can see the flood line there. Probably had about 4 to 5 inches total in the car. Other than that, the car was in really good condition. Overall, the body and the interior, everything was very well maintained by the previous owner. Even the convertible top was really clean. One issue is the engine is completely seized on this, so I went ahead and started with the interior. So I gutted everything down completely, down to bare metal on the inside, dried everything out, cleaned everything, redid the carpet. It was a lot of work, but it was, it had to be done. And then once that interior was completely done, went ahead and moved it into the garage. So now I'm at the point where the interior is done, very clean. Everything in the inside works. The convertible top, all the electronics, surprisingly with the flood, everything seems to be fine. So the next project will be putting it on jack stands and tearing into the engine. And so I'm going to have probably a couple of videos coming up of that. I need to take the front clip off, and then I'll be removing the engine, rebuilding the entire engine, and then reassembly. So I'll have a couple more videos, and once all of that's done, and then I'll just do a price breakdown for everybody, let you know how much this was. This was a super cheap car. I bought this thing for less than $1,000. It's just super clean. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of the next videos for the project. Thank you.